Hi friends, many of you have been asking me to upload videos on instant pot electric cookers, electric pressure cookers, but I don't have any of these. I just have my national electric rice cooker, which I use not only to make rice, but I also prepare other dishes like pongal, khichdi, pulao, etc. It is also very good for steaming idlis, doklas and vegetables. It's good for making sweets like gajar halwa, sheera, kheer. It's got a variety of uses. I've been having it for 20 years now. Earlier it looked like this, but over the year it's accumulated rust and we had to paint it. So I thought of making a video using this electric cooker in which I'm preparing rice, and I'm going to showcase that in this video. So come on, let's have a look. So hope you liked watching this video. I'll try to upload more videos using this electric cooker of different recipes in my future videos. So keep watching. Thank you for watching. Bye bye till my next video.